car.
That's a nice shirt, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Where you get that shirt from?
Look at that.
Is that Rig Boost? Oh, what? Oh, snap.
No,
yeah.
no. This is Rig Boost. Turn around.
Yeah, Dan.
Pressure in the streets like a piston, I'm whipping all kind of muscle, pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that red light turn green, I'm burning all kind of rubber. See the fire from the muffler, see the fire from the muffler.
Yeah, Big J. Chris, talk to me, bro.
What up?
Got my main man, Blueberoo, STI in the building, or outside of the building. Team A.K.O.M is here. Yeah, Dad. Yeah, boy.
Right there, bro.
Hey.
Yo, they let me straight in, bro. I pulled up to the thing, and they just let me straight in. I've been here a couple times already.
What's up, baby?
What up, baby?
How you doing?
Yeah,
You all
what's up?
good?
All kinds of motors.
All kinds of muscle. Come on,
muscle,
baby.
muscle.
Yeah.
Muscle.
Flex on them.
You bought the Nissan?
How y'all doing?
Why?
Don't worry about why I bring these up. This is not my car.
Oh, my bad. I almost leaned on that. This is beautiful. Who's this? That's mine. Yeah, right.
Love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, love me style.
I would say it's like my IS like
Yeah, Dan. Hey. Yeah, lyric.
Like, why is it not going? Because, like, when I'm aired out, it's in the render roll, I can take my e-brake off and it doesn't roll.
Hey, Chris, would you say we need to find the old lady for again inside? You hit a laugh, though. What do she do with the drinks? She make them skimpy or she heavy-handed?
No, she takes a little cup,
Okay.
measuring,
All right.
and then shakes,
Okay.
and then pours some.
Ah.
Did you tell her shaking, not stir, or stir, not
I didn't say
Ah.